I just made $658 in the past 42 minutes doing exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. Just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard and that I did get a total of okay, you can actually see this went up as I got another sale right now at about $387 today. So net profit in the last 2 days, I've earned over $1,045. So you can see here on the 15th of December and the 17th of December, which is today, I've earned a total of $1,045. Just to refresh, to show you again, this is my live dashboard. There you can see that this is not a screenshot or anything like that. And basically what this is all about, this is going to be all about how I made $658 like I showed you in the past 42 minutes of work, and then got that extra sale today, selling profitable high income skills such as coding, web development, app development, skills that people pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for, and I don't even do the work myself. All I do is go to a freelancer that, or an expert that charges the same service for really cheap, add huge markup, get my sales, and my job is just to transfer that work from my service provider to my client, and I'm sitting happy in the middle, as you saw, made over $1,000 in the last 2 days over here. And this is what I do full time off of YouTube, and I'm going to reveal that to all of you guys here today completely for free in this video. So if you're very serious about making money online and you really want to succeed and perhaps improve your lifestyle, this is the kind of content you should be watching, because I want you to get results. And the platform that I'm going to show you with this is brand new, and this is now the time to take action with this, because there's hardly any competitors. And also very good news, I just created my 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp worth over $7,390 in this bootcamp. There's over 58 in-depth videos, basically like me sitting by your side, teaching you how I create my successful drop servicing stores. And in this bootcamp, I actually give you one of my done-for-you drop servicing agencies that was winning for me completely for free in this bootcamp. And in this video, I'm going to give a lucky viewer the entire bootcamp away completely for free. And also, if you guys want to get a free training on this drop servicing bootcamp, you can go to the first link down below. You'll see me there on the screen. There's a whole video where I explain everything to you guys. I actually show you insight into my most successful drop servicing store, which generated me over $224,000 in revenue in 2020 alone. That is just in 1 year of drop servicing full time. So you're welcome to go check that out, and I explain everything there. So if you want to get this giveaway and get access to this $487 drop servicing bootcamp, all you need to do is you need to make sure that you subscribe down below to this channel with the bell on, because I can actually use a tool called vidIQ to see if you're subscribed or not. That is important. You must leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. And then comment down below. And then somewhere in this video, I'm going to have this logo pop up in the corner of the screen for about 2 seconds. It could be anywhere in this video. So the first person to tell me and comment down below the time that this logo popped up, it will be in the top right corner, will win access to this giveaway. So I'll reply to your comment, and then from there we'll take it from there, and I'll sign you up to the course. So that's how the giveaway is going to work in this video. And also comment down below if you'd like me to do this every single video, or what other kind of giveaways you would like to see. But without further ado, guys, we're going to get straight into the first platform. So this website over here is the first platform that I'm going to be talking about. Make sure to keep watching, because I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. So this website is very new, very similar to that of Fiverr, where you can go and list gig and sell your different skills or do freelance work, such as graphic design, programming and tech, digital marketing, video animation, music and audio, business, writing, translation. The categories are nameless. And what I like about this website, it's very new. There's not a lot of people that know about this, and it's still getting a decent amount of traffic. So what we can go and do is, and what I've been doing is, I've basically been selling high income skills and freelance work on this platform, but without actually doing that work myself and making huge profits in the middle for literally just transferring the work in less than 42 minutes of work. So the other platform that I want to show you guys is obviously Fiverr.com. So I'm sure most of you that have been watching my content know about Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's currently the world's biggest marketplace where we can go and hire freelancers and experts to perform different skills and do different tasks for us, such as writing and translation, video and animation tasks, music and audio, programming and tech, business, digital marketing, graphic and design, you name it. The categories are endless, and these, each and every categories, are different categories we can go and make boatloads of money off drop servicing this. This website is honestly probably been the website of 2020 that has changed my life personally, because you have access to an unlimited amount of high income skills on this website that you can go and sell. So what I'm going to go and do is, my favorite category is usually digital marketing and programming and tech. So in this particular category, I'm going to go and use the field or the category of email marketing, because these days a lot of businesses are getting into the online world, creating emailing campaigns, selling their products through email marketing, but they don't know where to start. They don't know how to write these emails. Now, there are plenty of experts on this website that do this for you. We can go and do that for them without actually writing the emails ourselves. We can just go and drop service that and make huge profits in the middle. And the best thing is our clients pay us first, so we just use that money to pay for our service provider on Fiverr, and we keep huge profits after that. So take a look at this person over here. Let me show you this one person over here. So this person over here has provided over 20k, provides 20k niche targeted email list. So take a look at this person over here. This person over here writes awesome newsletter templates for email marketing at 150 Rand, which is about $10. My Fiverr is just in Rands because I'm from South Africa, but if I work up what they've made, 156 times 460, they've made over 71,000 Rand, which is about $5,000 just off this gig writing emails. So now what we can go and do is we can actually click on the gig. We can go take a look at the different packages. We can literally go and copy this gig ourselves, come over again back to this website here. But just to quickly show you, if I come take this website and do a quick like a background check on it to show you how much traffic this website is getting, to show you how much potential sales you can get, because this is always important. There's no point in me showing you websites that are dead. I want to show you websites that are working and that people are using. So let me just search here. And you can see over here they've been getting about 10k views in December this year right now, and we're only halfway through the month, about 20k views so far. So no, it's not millions of views, but this website is getting enough views for you to beat the rest of the competition, or what's hardly any of the competition on Quicken Gigs, and get the majority of the sales on that website. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website over here called quickengigs.com. You want to register an account, so let me show you how that works. You enter your username, your email, your user type. You're going to choose seller. You're going to enter your password, your phone number, and your business name, or just your personal name. Click on register once you've signed in with your account. And you can come over here to the top right of your profile, click on jobs, click on post new, and we want to go and post a new job or gig. So over here, where we enter our gig title, our price, our category, we literally come back to this Fiverr gig over here. We can copy this as is. We can use the exact same information. I will design a new MailChimp newsletter. For the gig price, they're charging $10, so we can go, for example, let's say $29. So we're making about 200% profit per sale, which is a total of $19. So we can go $29. A category, we want to go digital marketing. For the description, simple, we can go and copy this entire little description over here, go and paste this onto Quicken Gigs over here. Our tags, we can go, for example, email marketing, and let's say MailChimp and digital marketing. So these are just keywords. When people search on Quicken Gigs, they will find you. Then all we do is we click on buyer information over here. For the instructions to buy, you can just mention something along the lines, send me a message of the type of email niche or the niche that your business is in, because obviously if the business is into selling, let's say hoodies, you need to build an email list, or send that same information to the service provider on Fiverr, because you need to have an idea on what kind of niche you need to build your emails around. Your max days to deliver, all you do is you come over here to their gig over here. You see they say 4 days delivery. You always want to add an extra day to play it safe, so you're going to select 5 days. Location, you can just choose your country, like that, and we can click on media. Over here for the cover image, you can go and download these pictures over here, repost them over here, same images, any video link, you don't need to worry about that. Click on extra over here, and you can add then any extra fast delivery prices, additional revisions, that same information you just copy from the gig over here. Once your gig's been posted over here, we can come back to Quicken Gigs over here. So let's go take a look at the email marketing niche over here, and I want to show you how many people are actually I've only created gigs on this. So just to show you, if I scroll down, take a look at this. Only, it ends here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 people have only posted gigs on this website. This guy over here is already featured and getting a bunch of sales. So now, if I compare this to Fiverr that has over 606, it's going to be much easier ranking on the top page over here amongst these 20 less than 30 people over here than trying to rank number one amongst these 606 services available over here. And what you can also do is you can come over to Conquer.io and post the same thing. So Conquer is also a great alternative to Fiverr, also getting a lot of traffic, about 100,000 views a month, but also a lot easier to rank for because the competition is not as high. So very easy to rank for and get lots of sales over here. So definitely suggest go and post your gig here as well. Same with Upworks.com. Go sign up, sell your gigs completely for free. This is all free. You're not spending a cent. Come over here, list your gigs just like I showed you. All the information that you need to create your gig is here on Fiverr. You just copy paste, add your markup about 200%, kind of maybe judge your pricing based on the competitors as well. Maybe come underneath them by like $1 or $2 just so that people place the orders with you, because obviously your pricing is the best because you want to get all the orders and beat them. And also ask people to leave reviews and comment on your gigs, because that favors the Upworks and Fiverr and Quicken Gigs algorithms, and that's what ranks you up to the top. And as soon as you're at the top, this can become your full-time thing and you can start seeing well over $500 a day just like I have. But guys, don't forget about that drop servicing bootcamp giveaway, and also don't forget to comment down below how many times or what the time point was that you saw that little logo pop up on the screen. And also on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to my drop servicing playlist where I've got about 17 videos teaching you different ways on how you can sell high income skills like this at huge markup and make huge profits online. Also go click on the first link in the description. Don't forget to go and do that, to go and check out my free training on my drop servicing bootcamp on how I generated $224,000 drop servicing in 2020 alone. So make sure to go click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.